Hi, tell me something. What is that one thing, if you're able to change in your life, that will give you the maximum results you desire? I'll pause for a moment and let you think. This is that one thing and a few more what we are going to work on in this workshop called the Unstoppable. Unstoppable, it's the name for me that sums up everything that we need to break through, the barriers we face in our life, which could be external or for that matter, maybe internal. Whether it's a famous actor, a bodybuilder, a mountain climber, or a corporate professional, they all have been trying to find that one extra edge to self-lead and build the resilience that allowed them to develop that mindset they needed for high performance and to become the best version of themselves. My name is Nikhil Juneja, and I'm looking forward to work with you in this workshop.